So would one like to explain what one is doing? Explain yourself. So my greenhouse has turned into a shed after fixing the roof and the door, and yes, it's windy today, and this has all come out of my fella's shed, because the shed is falling down and we have a rodent again in the floor, and if I lean on it, it moves. It's still pretty sturdy, to be honest, but it's rotten. So this has all come out of it. Rubbish bag, car crap, one almost full shed, one very full greenhouse shed. And you put that black tray back in the greenhouse, it'll fly off. So shed's now empty. See where it's all leaking. And that wall there, that's why we're doing this, because that wall has moved the shed. Let's push the pallet. Let's push the shed. I'll go stand on this side. Hey, wonky. So yeah, he's got to take this shed down. He's had it 6 years. And now I've just got a gardening shed full of stuff. It's a good job it's not growing season in it. Oh, they know. Wonder where they get that from.
Messing about and running around like idiots, you know.
Yeah. Like I say, wonder where they get that from. Yeah, whatever. Funny. Sounds soggy. Ew, gross.
You reach that drill, there's some screws at the bottom if you want to take them off.
Okay.
I could drag this round there.
Okay.
There we go.
Stinks. Ugh. I can't go down the bottom. I'll slide.
Down the bottom?
I'll slide over.
And put your top on. Oh, they've still got some at the top?
Yeah. And at the other end. Yeah, we used a fence panel, keep the shed up. You know, needs must and that. So this is the second shed, instead of all the way to it. So that's why they come out really easy. Yes. Look at these still greenhouse. And you're still everything. Well, I'll take it tomorrow. See? See? It's almost like someone new after a while. See? What's thinking me? I'm right with it. Okay. so really in the shed. But it's not going, we're getting put back in here. We've decided not to. It's going in my shed. Because how the garden goes, it goes like a triangle along here, into the fence. So it's going to build like a triangle shed. Starting getting blocks. Looks like I can get them. Heads up. I'll get on to it. She's passing back. What's that nail on that thing? I think she's sorted, she's probably sealed. Spring.
Really good at yourself.
Are you impressed with yourself?
I am. I've got nails in there that I didn't even know I could get in.
See daylight.
I'm the genius.
Oh yeah.
Must be, yeah. I've got a nail in there.
Oh. Wow. You put grooves in and everything? Get you? You're fucking enjoying it.
Shed builder, master shed builder, sir.
This is the full shed you're going to be building.
So have I attached that to the roof as well?
Probably, knowing you. Good job we got crowbars in it that we found in the canal. Wow, that's just proper wobbled. Wow, the dusty spider webs have just flown straight in my face. Ja, bij ons er man. Go on, the boy. Wow, that wobbled.
Do you know why I know so much about taking a shed down?
Because you've done it twice.
I did it fuck it out.
I helped.
Well, I know how it's gone together.
There's a nail this side where the door is. Stopping your roof coming off. Here. Above the door here. If you lift it up, you can see. On the outside bit here. Where you were looking just. See? Yeah. Here, where your arm is. You need your crowdy paw. You've chucked it in there. Here, where you above the door.
Right.
Above the door. No, the piece of wood here.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, it's attached to the piece of wood you're trying to remove. Still not listening. You whack yourself in the face on?
Yeah.
You've just whacked yourself in your face?
Normal. Must be going to plan. You know, got fingers crossed.
Well, if you pop that piece of wood off, the roof will come off.
It's already off. It's now free. Where do you want it?
Yeah, chuck it down here.
Right. Be careful.
I'm moving over there. Well, you built it.
Ready?
Go on then.
Can you lift that front end? Oh, hang on a minute.
Go on, just slide it straight down.
I'm stuck here.
There it goes.
Can you kick this piece of wood up?
What piece?
Here, stuck on the back.
Where?
Stuck on the back of the wood, I can't move.
Oh, that one there.
That's it.
Hang on, let me move out the way. Right, go on. I still a roof. What piece? Stubborn pieces of wood. The roof's bigger than the shed.
It is.
Are you sad? Whee! That's it. You just got to jump on the middle of it now. That's what it's put around the bottom. It's what we had put in our bathroom. It's waterproofing.
That's probably gone.
Mhm.
Nothing behind there now. Big massive holes. Oh,
Yeah.
shifts on the shift. Strong asphalt.
Mhm. Yeah. Oh look, roll plugs that you couldn't find. Put them in the pink drawers.
With the other one.
See, sorting my decorating drawer out. Aren't I nice? So he keeps losing his shit. I'm in my Yeah, I'm in my 40s. It needs to be organised now. Can't be doing finding shit all the time. I lose shit, so it needs to be where it is. Yeah, well, sure. Mr. Snot in my beard. There was.
Probably a bit of air juice, yeah.
Hair juice? What the fuck's hair juice?
Naturally breathing. You know, it's such a crime to breathe.
You are a man.
How long till we start taxing air juice?
Yeah. Oh, wibbly wibbly. Right, you even put glue on this side.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. How was it weird when you built it, remember?
I swear sometimes I've got two personalities.
Yeah, one for work and one for building. Look.
Nails,
Look, all that glue.
stables gone now. With one piece.
Who one piece?
One piece short and that shit's gone.
There's literally that piece keeping it up.
That's it now, shed built for tall people.
You ain't build it the right type next time.
What is the right height?
Well, I don't go in it, so it don't matter for me.
Plenty of nails.
All the nails.
One tap wonder kid. Am I really? Why would I see? Sometimes I amaze myself how clever that I do things, and sometimes I wonder what the.
You didn't realise you'd glued it too.
No, that I'd actually just attached it to the wood here and not the floor.
Right, Bowman's coming.
Does he want to spend half an hour in your garden?
Ask him.
Could do with asking if he takes wheels and tyres. I don't think they do,
You better ask him which ones he wants to keep.
Then again, I get all this down there and start sorting it. Not like he's never going to appear again.
Have a drink of brew now.
Get some French doors in there now.
I know, huh?
Yeah, I could do with it.
One shed down with lots of holes. Oh well. Time to clean up.